Installing and commissioning an HVAC system can be challenging due to varying applications and system demands. And when a system is unbalanced, it not only results in excessive energy consumption, but an uneven distribution of heating or cooling in your building. The all-purpose MAGNA3 is suitable for all HVAC applications and comes with a new application wizard designed to make installation and commissioning easy, regardless of the application. The built-in application wizard helps you to set the correct control mode. So all you have to do is to identify your application, select your system characteristics, and let the wizard take care of the rest. This means it's easy to make the right choice based on your exact application needs. This enables you to simplify installation and commissioning, reduce energy consumption, and increase system performance. In other words, the MAGNA3 is the smart choice for any HVAC system. Grundfos iSolutions. Pump, cloud, services.